Hey folks, welcome back to Skip's Dark Hollow Garage. We got a little bit of fun today. We're going to do some welding and powder coating. We're building what I call the Bad Boyz business card holder. Okay? And it's made from various pieces of sheet metal, all thread, and a piston for his head. We carve a face into the piston and have him holding the business card. It's pretty cool little deal. I've heard they're so ugly that they're cute. So here in a few minutes we're gonna go through the process of building one of these dudes, and I'll fast forward through the welding part of it and some of the stages so it doesn't take too long, and we'll go from there. And oh, the other night we threw down on them drums right there. Whew. It was a fun night. Do all kinds of stuff here in the Dark Hollow. Okay folks, we'll be back here in just a few. Alright folks. Whew. Camera looks kind of bright there. I got one of them LED light, 3-paddle lights up there on the ceiling. Whew, bright as the sun. So let me show you what we're going to do here. Got pieces, parts. This is going to be the piston man. Dark Hollow's Bad Boyz business card holder. All starts out with this right here. It's a Harley piston. Used Harley piston. Alright. Then we got his little hands I made. Got his little legs here out of all thread. Got his little feet. Got his little arms. I don't know if you can see that. All cut out, ready to go. You know, his arms go together like that, and it holds on to his little hand. And but anyhow, and the U-joint for his body. We're getting ready to put them together. Got 2 of them to do, but I'm only going to videotape one, so you don't have to watch the whole thing. I'll fast forward it, put a little music to it, and you can watch the process getting welded together. Alright, be back in a few. Alright folks, here we go. Here's part of him put together. Got him all welded up there. Got his hands on him, holding on to that card holder portion of it. Got his little feet. Yep, he's coming along. Have a little bit more for you here in just a minute. Hang on. Here we have his little face drawn on with a Sharpie marker. Put him up here in the vise. We're going to start cutting out his eyes, his teeth with various tools here in the shop. And I'll show you what that looks like here in just a second. Hold on. Alright, here we go. The piston man has a face now. Yep. You'll see the rest of this here in the build, how this turns out working with his bottom jaw. And he gets himself a bullet casing cigar. Coming up. There you go, folks. Check him out. So we go from pieces and parts, a little card holder, bottom jaw, Harley piston, to this cute little guy right here. Ready? There he is. He's saying, "What's up? I'll hold your business card." Yeah. Alright, so we still got to put him through the bead blaster, clean him up. Got to do a little head dressing on the top. You got to do his eyes, color his eyes up, do a little bit of style grinding on him. Then he gets powder coated with clear vision powder coat. And we'll have a finished product for you. Stay tuned, it's coming up. Alright folks, so here he is. Bad Boyz piston card holder. Now he's just about ready for powder coat, see? We've got his little hands ground down with a little stylized stuff, little stylized grinding on the front. Did a little bit of black on his body. I don't know if you can see it. We do a little black color rub down on him so he's not so silver. And then we do a little stylized grinding on his head. See, he's just about ready for powder coat right there. Alright folks, here he is all powder coated up. He's got clear vision on him. He's going to go through the baking process here to cure him in just a minute. Be right back. Alright, here he is. All powder coated. Clear vision. Glossy. Got a little blue on his chest because the customer asked for blue on his chest for some reason. Got his little 223 cigar. Yep, got a little red eyes. Customers asked for red eyes before, so that's why we do it. Got his stylized grinding. Even got pads on his feet so he won't scratch the desk. Yep, there he is. Hey folks, how was that? Pretty cool little piston guy, isn't he? Get a lot of people wanting those. They're in a local store here in town. On about, I don't know, 5 or 6 discs. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Actually, I have them in North Carolina. I have them in Georgia. Had some people ask for them, so I built them a few. But it's a fun little project. And we appreciate you stopping by the Dark Hollow. We'll catch you next time.